Hi everybody, Cheryl and Lady coming to you today from the garden. And this evening we're going to be transplanting cabbage and we're going to be direct sowing some peas. So I hope you join us and I'll show you how I do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be moving and transplanting these onions. These were the ones that I planted back in 2020. They decided to finally sprout last fall, and they're really very healthy. The problem is my dog already disrupted their roots. She dug up this bed the other day. It ended up in being a big fiasco with a trip to the vet because she swallowed something she shouldn't. She was sick for a week. Anyway, I'm going to transplant these to another bed so that I can have a clean slate here, put down some compost, and get it ready. They haven't bulbed up yet, so I'm just going to transplant them. My goal is to let them go to flower and collect their seeds anyway. So I'll go do that and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to go get my bag of compost. It weighs 40 pounds. I can't carry it, so I have my handy dandy little garden cart thing. Be back. Okay, so that's all nice and level now. There's a good 2 inches, maybe 3 of compost on top. I had not prepared this particular bed last winter, so I needed to throw on some more compost. So what I'm going to do with this triangle hole thing is I'm going to dig a trench for the peas about an inch in depth. So this particular bed has this netting around it. It's supposed to keep animals out. It doesn't, but it does provide a good place for the peas to climb up. So I'm going to put a row here on each side. Try to make it as straight as possible. And then an entire row going across the back. However, I'm not going to be planting all of the peas at once because I want a succession. And so this is my first direct sowing of peas. I did start, if you remember, a bunch of peas inside back in March. So I think I'm going to start with the back row, let those sprout up, and then come in on the sides in a week or two and do my second succession. Now everybody's going to tell you you shouldn't step on your bed, but my arms are too short to reach without doing this, so whatever. And I'm putting them about an inch and a half apart. firm them in. So I'm going to continue down this row, and then when I come back, we'll do cabbages. So I have 2 plants here. I'm going to gently tease them apart and hope to get a good root system on both of them. Okay. Now I like to have a little depressed, patted down circle around them for when I water them. The water gets concentrated right there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like, and I hope you subscribe and hit the alert button so you can follow along as we plant up this spring garden. From the Ladies Garden and Home, enjoy your gardening journey. Bye! Say goodbye, lady.